So I'm a little late maybe, but here I am with the iOS 14 hands-on and feature showcase, and in this video let's see all of those features with the iOS 14 that I'm just loving. Anyway, feature number 1 is the widgets. Here you can see I have the widgets over here, and there are more widgets on this place that I have just customized for my needs. Even if I want, I can just drag this one and put it anywhere I want. As you can see, I have just put this thing over here, and now it looks very gorgeous, and it is also a different kind of widgets. Let me show you the widgets. And here you can see this widgets is called Smart Stack, and I really like this Smart Stack because I can hook up all those widgets in a single place, so it is very helpful. Anyway, now let's talk about the second feature, that's app library. Here you can see here is the app library. That means I just don't need to make a lot of pages or lot of tabs and all of those things. I can simply use this app library to find my application, and it is very smooth and fluid. As you can see, all the applications comes very gently. I think it will get better and better with all of those new update, and it's only been one day with the iOS update, iOS 14 update, so there will not be a lot of things, I know that, but with all of those feature updates it will be far better. And the next one is app gallery, not gallery, it's a app list in the app library. So now you can get this kind of app list, and I don't find it very convenient, but it is a thing that exists on the iOS 14. So the next feature is very helpful if you have a lot of clutter pages. So if you want to hide one page, it is very simple. Just click on this dot place. Let me show you again. Just tap and click on these dots, and after that click on this right, and now as you can see there is no more pages. Okay, there is no pages, just only one page on my iPhone, so it looks very clean and neat. I don't have any other page, only one page, and my iPhone is working just awesome, fine. If I want to put it back, I just need to hold there and click there again, and now my page is back again. So that's how you can simply hide one page and get back to that page again. Okay, feature number 4 is a small and advanced Siri. Let me show you. Hey Siri. Here you can see smart and small Siri. How old is Dwayne Johnson?
Okay, I found this on the web for smart and small Siri. How old is Dwayne Johnson?
Oh shit, what have I told? Okay, how old is Dwayne Johnson?
Johnson is 48 years old.
Okay, how tall is he?
Dwayne Johnson is 6 feet 5 inches tall.
Without covering the whole screen, you can simply use Siri, and that is very convenient. Especially the animation of Siri is very futuristic over here, as you can see. After that, the feature is picture-in-picture mode. By the way, the picture-in-picture mode is currently only available inside of the Apple software, not in every third-party applications like YouTube or even Safari or other applications. But I think with feature software updates, all of those things will be available soon. Alright, let's talk about the feature number 7. Yeah, it is a translate app available on your iPhone. As you can see, here is the translate app on our iPhone. Just click on the translate app. Here we are on. So if I say hola, soy mucho gusto.
Hello, I'm very pleased to meet you.
Can you see it is working perfect? But there are very few languages. As you can see, there is not a lot of languages available right now, only this much languages. With the future updates, there will be every languages available, I hope so far. Feature number 8, that is the AppClips. So AppClips is not available on every iPhone, but yeah, that's a feature available on iPhones, and I think with the future iOS updates that feature will be available very conveniently. Feature number 9 is recently used applications on Control Center. As you can see, if I use camera recently, then the camera application will be shown into my Control Center. Here you can see I have recently used camera and it is showing in my Control Center. So whatever app you use recently, that will be shown into your Control Center. If I go to my Control Center will show me that recently used application is the camera, and if I use any other applications, it will show the same things. Recently used application is the camera. Okay, the feature number 10 is pin messages. So if someone messages you, you can simply pin him. Let me show you. if I pin someone, and here you can see he's pinned over here, but if I just hold there and if I just simply unpin him, you'll be able to see it's working perfectly. I don't use messages so much, I cannot show you a lot of things in the messages, but if you use, there is a lot more in the messages. Camera and the mic uses feature. If I start, it will show you a little yellow dot at that place, as you can see, yellow dot. And if I started to use some camera applications, then it will show the green dot. So that's about the dotting thing. And the final and very cool and very helpful feature for me is, I'll not tell you, I'll just show you in a moment, just in a moment. Wait a little bit, wait for me, wait, keep waiting, don't skip, keep waiting. Can you see this? Okay, I can just swipe away, or even I can just go back to the call, accept or decline. So it is just interesting on the iOS 14, and that is the best feature of iOS 14, because I was wanting that thing forever, and right now we have that feature on our iPhone. So that was my experience with the iOS 14, and I really like the iOS 14. I hope with the future updates iOS 14 will get much better, and that was my hands-on over iOS 14 and the feature showcase.